Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today, I just want to show you four items which will be useful in the kitchen or day-to-day life kitchen items, and I'll mention the product quality and the prices also. I visited a supermarket, so you can compare with the online products, and if you want to order something, these price comparisons will be useful. And this beautiful cup is 19 rupees, and this is not totally ceramic. It is something ceramic and fiber sort of thing, which is for 19. And this kitchen stand where you'll keep some spoons or something like that here, which is a stainless steel, and it is mentioned like 120 rupees. And those cups I really like them, means and this is one of the coffee cup, and here it is mentioned like 29 rupees. And this is also the same, not totally ceramic, but a sort of plastic, means fiber mixing ceramic sort of thing. And this is 29 rupees. And this stainless means holder, just like the pen holder in the kitchen, we use this for spoons or various other items. And coming to this vegetable strainer, I should say, we can wash vegetables here or fruit, something like that, so that water gets easily drained. And this is for 69 rupees, which is 70. So if I'll possible, I'll just attach all these products and you can compare the prices in the online, and let me know in the comments which of the four products do you like, whether the starting cups or coffee cup or strainer or the holder. Please do comment.